Hello, dear children, good morning. Today I am going to continue the explanation part of the chapter 3, the tug of war. We have started the tug of war, right? And we have completed that the Umandla betted with Rhino. See how. I bet I could pull you out of the water and over that termite hill, he taunted. Taunted means try to make someone angry or upset by saying unkind things. Here who is taunting? Umwandla. Umwandla is taunting. Umwandla then dashed off to braid a long strong rope. When he came back, he tied on end of Hippo's hind leg. So Umwandla took a long strong rope and he tied to Hippo's hind leg, saying, "When I shout, pull from behind the hill. You must pull with all your might, for I shall surely beat you." And Umandla is saying, when he shout, the rhino should pull the rope from behind the hill. Hippo thought that Umandla's foolishness had at last got the better of him. He said nothing and settled down again in the water. He soon dozed off. Dozed off means here fall into a light sleep. So Rhino know about the Umwandla's foolishness and he silently dozed off. Umwandla took the other end of the rope and crept. Here crept means move slowly and carefully in order to avoid being heard or noticed. So Umwandla took the other end of the rope and moved slowly around to the other side of the hill where old Rhino was sleeping. So slowly Umwandla took the rope and moved slowly to the other side of the hill where Rhino is sleeping. He picked up some fierce little red ants. Fierce means here aggressive. He picked some aggressive little red ants from a nearby hole and quietly dropped them in Rhino's ear. So he dropped some fierce little red ants in Rhino's ear. Rhino awoke with a grunt. What do you mean by grunt here? A low, short, guttural sound made by an animal or person. Okay. Rhino awoke with a grunt and shook his head. What do you mean by shook? Emotionally or physically disturbed. He disturbed physically because of fierce little red ants, right? Trying to scratch his ears. Here Rhino is trying to scratch his ears. "Good morning," piped Umandla. Umandla is saying good morning. "I was just coming here to warn you of the ant's nest." And he is saying that he just came to warn about the ant's nest. "Oh, I see. One has crawled into your ear." What do you mean by crawled? Crawled means move forward on the hands or knees by dragging the body close to the ground. So, "Oh, I see one has crawled into your ear. May I help you remove it?" And with a great pretense of concern, he pushed the ants in further. "That was most kind of you," said the unsuspecting Rhino. By this, the unsuspected Rhino is saying that was most kind of you too, Umandla. "Your small feet are just right, while mine are far too large for the job. You have no idea what trouble I have with ants." And he grumbled. What do you mean by grumbled? Grumble means complain about something in a bad tempered way. He grumbled on like cranky old people everywhere. What is meant by cranky? Means bad tempered old people everywhere. "Well," replied the cheeky Umandla, "my feet may be small, but they are very strong." This Umandla is saying, maybe my feet is so small, but it is very strong. I challenge you to a tug of war. I bet I can pull you right over this ant hill and into the river. And he is challenging for a tug of war with Rhino, and he is betting. Who is he? The hare. Umandla is betting that he can pull Rhino right over that ant hill and into the river. Old Rhino snorted. What is meant by snorted? Make a sudden explosive sound through one's nose, especially when excited or frightened. Old Rhino snorted with laughter. But at last he too was pestered. What is meant by pestered? Pestered means keep asking you to do into playing Umandla's game. So the hare tied the other end of his rope around Rhino's hind leg. Then he hurried to the top of the hill. He hid a little hollow and called loudly, pull. So Umandla went to the top of the hill and he hid a little hollow and called loudly, Rhino, pull. By now, the ants began to bite deep inside Rhino's ear, and with a bellow of pain, Rhino charged off. So, the ants began to bite Rhino inside very deeply, and with a bellow of pain, Rhino charged off. Rhino is nothing. Poor old Hippo had forgotten about Umandla. He was dozing peacefully in his pool when there was a sudden hard tug on his hind leg. Before he knew it, he was dragged out of the river and halfway up the hill. When Hippo realized what was happening, he dug his heels and gave a mighty heave. Heave means lift or haul with great effort. And the great tug of war started in earnest. What is meant by earnest? Earnest means the great tug of war started very eagerly within no time. Each of the powerful animals strained every muscle and worked themselves up into a fine fury. Umandla laughed so much that he fell over and went rolling down the side of the ant hill. When they saw him there, the two great animals knew they had been tricked. Now, the two animals, Hippo and Rhino, came to know that they have been tricked by Umandla. Okay, we will continue the remaining part in our next class, children.